Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. The voice might sound a little different, guys. If you didn't see the video yesterday, this is Nathan. My dad's recovering from a surgery, so I'm trying to get some videos done until he's back to show you guys what we have. So if I miss anything or there's anything you want to see in particular, just give me a call. We can FaceTime, or I can send you more photos and do my best to get you guys what you need. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Camaro RS. It was rotisserie restored, 1,400 miles on the bill, finished in torch red with your white Z28 stripes, and it is slick. Floorboards are painted red, which we'll have photos of those on our website like we always do. Not too much to really nitpick on the car. Fit and finish on it's really nice. Bumpers have been replaced, front spoiler. There's one little, see if the camera can pick it up, one little scratch right here. But besides that, there's not too much you're gonna pick on this car. Trim's really nice. This looks all have been replaced. Finish on it's really good. All your glass looks to be original. I think they might have replaced the windshield and the driver's side front glass. Back glass is really nice. Same thing. Trim's really clean on it. Rear spoiler. Again, they replaced this rear bumper. It's super nice. There might be a little bit of wax or something in there we missed. We're trying to hustle and get these done while we have some warm weather. I think it's 35 degrees. That might be the warmest day we've had in a week. One little scuff, black mark right there in the bumper. Has four-wheel Wildwood disc brakes all the way around with slotted and drilled rotors. 255, 45, 18 inch tires and American torque thrust. Little touch up right here on the door. Fronts are 225, 45, 18s. And bear with me, guys. I'm going to try to do a lot of this one-handed. 350. It's not a matching numbers car. Ceramic headers, air gap intake, Holley 4-barrel car, power, four-wheel Wildwood disc brakes, factory air. I do have to have the air charged. It's not a big deal. We'll take care of it for you guys. Electronic ignition, factory radiator with a shroud, power steering. Like I said, the video format might be a little different for now. Super nice car. Not really much to nitpick on it. Little touch-up mark right here. Little bit of pitting on this mirror. Door handles have been replaced. Has deluxe interior with Hound's Tooth. Sill plates have been replaced. Tach gauges. Console. Little mark right here. Great driving car. The steering on it's super tight. I know a lot of these Camaros sometimes will drive them and they're a little rattly. This one seems to hit the road great for as much as we got to drive it. We don't really take the cars out on the roads with the salt here. But as much as I've gotten to drive it, it's really nice. Spackle coated trunk.
12 bolt 355 posi back here. Like I said, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's body color underneath. It's as nice as the top.
Flowmaster dual exhaust with an H pipe. Nice, nice car. Door seams are really nice. Dash pad's very nice as well. Radio delete car. Headliner's nice. Fit and finish on the car is really nice. I know this is usually where we would start it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to start it up and then I'll come back out, let you guys hear it running, and then we'll finish the rest of the video like my dad normally does. Alright guys, we're back. I was able to recruit my mom to take over my normal spot in the video. She's going to help us out to finish off the rest of it. Car sounds great. Showing 1448. Tach's working. Seems everything down there is working. If you guys can see it, holds good oil pressure. That fit and finish on the car is real nice. Sounds good. Alright, I'm used to doing the wipers. Wipers work. Those headlights are vacuum. They seem to work pretty good. Hit your blinkers. Remember guys, you can check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. You can follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Pick up the phone, 248-620-3355. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we go live. We'll fix that one. Like I said, they're back and they're a little finicky, but they seem to work good. Have a great day, guys.